have kept my signal on because we are turning right at the next roundabout, which I call the beast from the east. Staying in the right lane on the roundabout, staying in the right lane, the third lane, staying close to the island. I wasn't sure there. I see the police car coming across my path as well. So remember, when you're not sure and if you move forward, you can hit the brake. There's a blocker there, and I'm making the right turn. Third exit, following the roundabout round. Checking my mirrors, signal left, middle left. I did not give too much gas because of the silver car in front of me. So be aware of your surroundings. Even on a busy roundabout, be wary of your speed. And plan ahead